Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get fresh videos. And if you like the video you're about to watch, be sure to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. So today's product I'm here to share with you is something I picked up on Amazon to help me clean pool filters. So I want to see if this really works and if it makes that horrible job of cleaning pool filters any better. So what it is called the Aqua Comb. So we'll open it up here. And essentially it is just this little kind of blue plastic comb. This screws on the bottom to the hose, and then it's got these little plastic comb pieces that's supposed to get in there in between the filter, and then a ton of water is supposed to stream out here, and then it's got a little gauge here on the top. I think, yeah, that turns, so you can turn it on and off. And yeah, and that's basically it. So it's supposed to be a little simple device that's supposed to help really get in there and get rid of that debris out of between the filters. So let's see if it works, and I'll do a little quick kind of montage video of me cleaning some filters, and then we'll come back and give you my opinions and thoughts on how well it did. Alright guys, we are back. So now you've seen this in action. I was very impressed of how well it worked. It really got in there between the pleats of the filters and did a good job cleaning. I did discover that I find it easier to kind of stab at it and work at an angle. That kind of helps separate the pleats and keep from dragging it down. And I will say, none of these pieces, even though everything's made out of plastic here, none of them broke, and it didn't tear any of the pleats into my filter. So I thought it did a very good job. I was impressed. It made cleaning it a lot easier, and because cleaning filters is never a fun little job. So I will include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon where I got this. So make I recommend it if you're looking to try to make pool filter cleaning a little bit easier. And then feel free to hit me up in the comments section if you have a question or something. I do typically respond. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.